Hey guys, my name is Logan Eversole, and a different one today. Today is December 1st. Well, maybe not the day you're watching it, but for me it's December 1st, 2021, and Ryobi Link is in stores. Well, some of the Ryobi Link products are in some stores. We're actually on our way right now, driving over an hour to get to a different Home Depot, which hopefully has some Ryobi Link. Stay tuned, let's see what they have. We have made it to the Home Depot. You can see it there behind me a little bit. Again, spent almost an hour driving to get to this Home Depot. Not every Home Depot has the Ryobi Link system. In fact, at my Home Depot, there was a Ryobi rep, and she was telling me that they're hoping to get them to that store, the store that's 5 minutes from my house, sometime early next year, so still over a month away. But we looked it up, and this store, she actually confirmed with one of our coworkers that this store here has hopefully something. So let's go in and see what we get. Alright guys, so it wasn't probably worth it to come all the way out for just those. I did try calling ahead of time and unfortunately wasn't able to get a hold of anybody, so it is what it is. Still excited to have them because we didn't have them otherwise. That wasn't one of the things that I had pre-ordered, so it wasn't available for pre-order when I was pre-ordering things. So excited to have the bicycle hooks. Again, we got 4 of them today, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and or like or come back and watch our video, because on Tuesday I will have opened the Ryobi Link stuff we did pre-order and also got today at Home Depot, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, kind of cool, super excited. They told me that not every store is going to have the Ryobi Link displays or like all of the Ryobi Link stuff. In fact, this may be the closest store to me that actually has a display, which is unfortunate, but it was good to know. I actually talked to 2 more Ryobi reps here at this Home Depot, and they confirmed that there should be more coming. The hard cases coming probably first of the year, hopefully in January. And then if you haven't seen, there's actually soft-sided cases that they're coming out with, suitcases and backpacks and other cool stuff. That video went live today as well, so make sure to check that out. Anyway, pretty cool, super excited. We'll get these up on the wall and do a formal opening as we do here on this channel. Again, if you haven't subscribed, make sure to click that subscribe button, like, and follow for more, because Link is just getting started. Their storage stuff, their bags, and other gear. So we'll see how it all turns out. Thanks for watching, guys. Again, my name is Logan. See you in the next one.